So this is a workshop that I developed during the global financial crisis.
If you want to grow your confidence in the long-term sustainability of your business, cash will be absolutely critical in doing that.
What's the action plan? Anybody know? Just start, right? Let's enjoy each other's company tonight, have some fun.
We're going to turn this into a comedy club, and then we're going to, who knows what's going to happen after that.
Go and do what you said you're going to do. As small as it is, just start.